job with it. Even this lot, because him being stuck in, you know, doing what he's doing now. Alpha's a good job. I'm not sure that's Alex. The world is changing, you change, you know, that's not fine. I just can't see that. This is a new air show.
Need something? I do like that triplane.
Okay guys, got 2 minutes.
But not for today. Definitely got a lot more stalls here, haven't they? If you want any of the footage for Patch News, hope to give it to you. That's nice. These are them, the kit build ones, they're really good. What do you think about them? They're like nitro cars, isn't it? Have you seen the turbines? The old fashioned ones? Go bro, stop recording.
Oh, okay.
I think you just put it back.
Right. And the MQ, I know you need a transmitter. But the receiver in it, is it? Very...
I'm the heli pilot of the family.
Oh, yeah.
God, look at that. I've got one of these at home. Never even taken it out of the box. You never go on that? Huh? No, mine's fancier. I want one of those. Oh, look at that, mate. Do you want a turbine jet for 350 quid?
It's turbine.
Oh. Wait, is that a foam one? With a turbine?
Okay, right, we're going to get a split slot here. We've got Alfie saying he's flying extra. 5 minutes of Alfie. Proper breathing flying.
This is the 12-year-old.
So you've got a bit of crosswind, but it shouldn't really make a lot of difference to these guys. They can fly in any time again. Make it easy. Now, how old is Alfie? He's about 12, isn't he? Big lad for 12. He's a very big lad for 12. And he's got face on there. Alfie's 17 now. Is he? I'm close. It looks like 12. So this is Alfie Towns flying, as you just heard from my colleague there. He's 17 years old. He's been flying around about 5 years doing 3-dimensional flying. Lower, Alfie, he says lower, they're saying. They're shouting out lower. Inverted lower. Mind the wing.
GoPro, stop recording.
Absolutely hours on the simulator. Without a doubt, I think he must sleep with it, Scott. I think he must sleep with it. Keep hearing lower, Alfie, lower.
Oh, these.
On these.
Dropping on the ankles.
Yeah, well, harbour. I see a lot of the pilots have gone over to the harbour now. Why did you let it? Good deal. Well, you got the jet here, haven't you? And what else? You got the core.